Good morning. It's Tuesday, December 11th. It's a frosty cold start to the day. As you can see, my 93 Bluebird is sitting here all frosted up. 20 degrees outside currently. And I got a request from YouTube fan Matt Crowley to do a cold start video of this 93 Bluebird International. It's got the DTA 360 in it. It's sitting out in the back of my property. Last time it was moved was when I moved it out of the way so I could start the crown and move that. The crown I now keep down next to my house. That doesn't start too well unless it's plugged in. But this bus with the old reliable 360 usually starts pretty good even in the cold weather unaided. So let's see how it fires up today. Well, it went third try. A little smoky. It's very cold out today. But those 360s, they're very reliable engines. No glow plugs or anything in this. Just turn the key and it goes. Starter seemed a little cold to begin with, but gave it another couple tries and it went. Bus runs great. 151,000 miles on it now, which is pretty low for a 93. It's got a few leaks, like any Bluebird, and the floor is getting a little discolored where it leaks, but that cleans up. I use some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound here to clean up part of this, and there's no point in going too crazy cleaning the floor this time of year because it's just going to leak again. But before I take it to the spring fling in June, I clean the floor up nice. But yeah, if anyone ever wants to see this bus in person, I go out to the Museum of Bus Transportation spring fling every June. It's usually the first Saturday of June. So I should be out there next year with this bus, unless I get the crown on the road, which is a goal of mine, but I don't know if it'll happen. This bus is a pretty safe bet though. There you have it, the 93 Bluebird, cold start, 20 degrees.